Hey guys, back to my video, and today we are going to be doing and making skits and gravy. That's kind of like a saying, but I put my hair in a ponytail, but you can't really see because it's in the back. So we are going to be making biscuits and gravy today, and we have Kaysen and my daddy. And today's keyword is biscuits and gravy because we're going to make biscuits and gravy. Okay, so guys, we have all the ingredients and we are going to pour things in. Okay, so they're about to pour the thing in, so let's
Flour.
see. Flour. Wow, nice and satisfying. That's really nice and satisfying. Now, I'm going to pour the milk in, so it's pretty big. So, I don't know about this. Oh no, I'm not this hand. Oh no. Oh gosh. Ah!
Don't need to put half more milk in there. Dump that in there.
Okay, this is a little, so I don't even need to worry about anything. Let's cover that milk.
Alright.
Okay guys, so we're gonna try to get this brown. We're gonna try to get the gravy hot, and we're gonna throw those in the oven. And we're gonna put, what are we gonna put in, Daddy?
We're just waiting for it all to cook.
Yep, so we're just gonna wait. And guys, we haven't done the thumbs up challenge, guys. So that's why we're gonna do it now. So guys, let's do the thumbs up challenge. You ready? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you guys did it, give yourself a pat on the back. Okay guys, so we just put them in the oven. Daddy, how are you doing?
Doing good.
I bet he's doing good because he knows how to cook it. So we have biscuits and gravy, so that's what the keyword is, biscuits and gravy. Okay guys, so we're letting the biscuits cool, and yeah, so we'll see you guys later when they're all done. Okay guys, finished product! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on those post notifications to be my #1 fan. Bye guys! Is there a hair in my nose? I think there was a hair in my nose.